Hi everyone, today we are going to learn International English Olympiad Exam Chapter 13 Comprehensions. What's mean by comprehensions? Comprehensions means the ability to understand and write the questions. First, move to section A, read the following passages and choose the correct option to answer the questions that below. 1. When adversity knocks. Question number 1. Question number one. Where did Asha live? A. In a village. B. In a city. C. In the forest. C. On the mountain. The correct answer is this story that explains how adversity in met differently by different people. There was a girl named Asha who lived in with her mother and father in village. So in village, the correct answer is in a village. So option A is the correct answer. Next question: what task did the father assign to Asha? A. To cook food from him. B. To clean the house. C. To keep an eye on the boiling vessels. D. To finish her homework. The correct answer is C. To keep an eye on the boiling vessels is the correct answer. The answer is C. He asked Asha to keep an eye on the vessels for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the correct answer is C. To keep an eye on the boiling vessels. Next question, third question. What were the three ingredients? A. Tomato, potato, and tea leaves. B. Egg, potato, and tea leaves. 3. Potato, egg, and mango. Tea. Tea leaves, coffee, and potato. The correct answer is B. Egg, potato, and tea leaves is a correct answer. The answer is here. He said that the potato turned soft, the egg turned hard, and the tea leaves changed the color and taste of the water. So the correct answer is B. Next question, fourth question. What did the father want Asha to understand? A. Everyone in same in one or other way. B. Never make fun of anyone. C. Adversity it meets differently by different people. D. We should help others in the time of needs. The correct answer is C. C is a correct answer. Next question, fifth question. What is the meaning of adversity? What is the meaning? Adversity means a difficult situation. Option B is a correct answer. Next, chapter 2, a New Year's Day. New Year's Day. The question number 1. Sixth question. When did Freddy wake up? A. Early in the morning. B. When the sun rays had brightened his room. C. When the sun rays were away from his room. D. None of this. The correct answer is B. When the sun rays has brightened in his room is a correct answer. The answer is given. The sun rays were slowly scattering in all the direction. Physicist Freddy woke up when his room was entirely brightened by the glistening rays of the sun. Is a correct answer. Next question. Question number 7. What he what had Freddy forgotten? That is was dash. A. Sunday. B. His birthday. C. The 1st of January. D. His mom's birthday. The correct answer is he had forgotten that it was the 1st of January. So option C is a correct answer. The 1st of January is the correct answer. Next, eighth question. Freddy's friends had told that anything done on the first day of the new year A would bring luck, luck for them. Option B would be useful for their studies. C would be multiplied throughout the year. D none of this. The correct answer is C would be multiplied throughout the year. Next question, ninth question. What did Freddy's mother do on the first day of the new year? A. She cooked delicious food. B. She planted a slapping. C. She woke Freddy up in the morning. D. All of this. The correct answer is B. Next question number 10. What is the meaning of glistening in this passage? A. Shining B. Heavy C. Easy T. Coming. The correct answer is A. Signing is the correct answer. Next, 11th question. What did Freddy want? What did Freddy want? Freddy wants to make a resolution. The correct answer is Freddy was impressed by his mother and he too wanted to make a resolution is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next, third, Kashmir, the Switzerland of the East. Kashmir, the Switzerland of the East. Question number 12. According to the passages, which is the most beautiful hill station in India? A. Simla. B. Manali. C. Kashmir. D. Ooty. The correct answer is Kashmir. C. Kashmir is a correct answer. What is itar? A special perfume. B. The name of a river. C. What Mughals called Kashmir? B. D. The garden of eternal spring. The correct answer is a special perfume. A special perfume is a correct answer. Next question 14. Which fruit is not found in Kashmir? C. A. Apples. B. Peaches. C. Strawberries. D. Oranges. The correct answer is oranges is the correct answer. Forest all over the valley and the fruit trees are laden with delicious and juicy apple, peaches, strawberries, cherries, almonds and walnuts. So orange is missing. The correct answer is orange. 15th question. Which shrine is located in Kashmir? A. Gulmarg. B. Amarnath. C. Badrinath. D. Srinagar. The correct answer is B. Amarnath is the correct answer. Next question 16. According to the passages, Gulmarg is dash famous for A. Water sports. B. Golf. C. Skiing. D. Cycling. The correct answer is skiing is the correct answer. Next question 17th question. Why should we read newspaper? It's not only for daily news, we should read newspaper but also increase our general knowledge. So the correct answer is C for general knowledges and newses. Next question 18. Which with what does the author compare a person who does not read newspaper? Who does not read newspaper? Correct option is B. A frog confident to a well. Next question 19. Newspapers are good as well as bad. Is it true? A. Yes. B. No. C. Never. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is yes. Option A. Yes is the correct answer. Next question 20th question. 20. We should not support newspaper which A. Costly. B. Are in our school library. C. Inside communal friction. D. None of this. The correct answer is C. Next question 21. What is the meaning of the word friction in this context? Friction means C. Disagreement is a correct answer. Next to be read the following poems and answer the questions that follow. 5. Tree blessing. Tree blessing. The question is 22. What did grandmother often say? A. Believe in luck. B. Blessed in the house. C. Om. D. Ram. The correct answer is B. Blessed in the house. Grandmothers often said blessed in the house. So the correct answer is B. Next question 23. When did the poet plant on tree? A. Last spring. B. Last winter. C. Last summer. D. Last rainy season. The correct answer is last spring. Last spring is a correct answer. So I planted on last spring is a correct answer. Next 24. What is the age of the tree now? What is the age of tree now? What is the age of tree now? A. 4 months. B. 6 weeks. C. 6 months. D. 6 days. The correct answer is it's 6 months old now. The correct answer is option C. 6 months is the correct answer. Next question 25. When will it be blessing in 6? A. Weeks. B. Days. C. Months. C. D. Years. The correct answer is D. Years. 26. Why did the poet plant a tree near the cottage? A. There was no tree near the cottage. B. The poet loved trees. C. The poet's grandmother told him to plant a tree. D. The poet found a tree and he planted it. The correct answer is A. There was no tree near the cottage. 27. Which word rhymes with falls in the poem? The correct answer is A. Walls is the correct answer. Next question 28. Cottage means A. Hut, B. Cotton, C. Fold, D. Desk. The correct answer is A. Hut is the correct answer. Next 6. Three little monkeys. Three little monkeys. Question number 29. How many monkeys were jumping on the bed? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. So the correct answer is 3. Option C, 3 is a correct answer. Next question 30. How many doctors were called from when the first monkey fell and pumped his head? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. None. The correct answer. One fell off the pumped in his head. The correct answer is 1. 1 is a correct answer. Option A, 1 is the correct answer. Next question 31. What did the monkeys do? A. Danced. B. They jumped. C. They tried. D. They sang. The correct answer is B. They jumped. 22. Who called the doctor? The dash monkey. A. Mother. B. Uncle. C. Father. D. Aunt. The correct answer is A. Mother is the correct answer. Next question 33. Which word in the poem rhymes with bed? A. Head. B. Red. C. Bad. D. Dead. The correct answer is A. Head is the correct answer. Next question 34. Where did the monkeys jump on the desk? A. Ground. B. Sofa. C. Bed. D. Roof. The correct answer is C. Bed is the correct answer. 35. How did the monkeys bumps in head? A. By falling, B. By singing, C. By dancing, D. By strangling. The correct answer is A. By falling is the correct answer. Next question number 36. C. Read the given short paragraph and answer the question that follow. 36. What does the word sustain as mentioned above mean? A. Destroy. B. Substance. C. Product. D. Support. The correct answer is D. Support is the correct answer. Next question 37. Bats that eat fruit and nectar spread seeds and help flowers to grow. Without bats, many important plants would not thrive. What does the word thrive as mentioned above mean? A. Furious. B. Important. C. And D. Worsen. The correct answer is A. Furious means angry. Next question 38. These days, the city of Agra is converted by a blanket of smoke. Due to this event, the view of the historic Taj Mahal is obstructed. What does the word obstructed as mentioned above mean? A. Visible. B. Blocked. C. Destroyed. D. Detrited. The correct answer is B. Blocked is the correct answer. Blocked means to make a difficult. Thank you. Have a nice day.